Fixture Remover and Fixture Remover screw minimize bone loss and effectively remove the implants. Remove the screw from the implant. Remove the prosthesis connected to the implant. Step 1. Engage the fixture remover screw into the implant using a FR screw hex driver with a torque of 40 Newton. Step 2. Secure the fixture remover onto the fixture remover screw by turning counterclockwise. Secure the torque control device and remove it using a torque of 200 Newton. If the torque exceeds 200 Newton during removal, the screw may fracture. To prevent this, first remove the cortical bone using a burr, then proceed with the FR kit. The implant removed intact upon removal enabled the immediate placement of a same-sized implant.